Yeah, that's him.
Whatever you want to be.
Whatever you want him to be, that's him, y'all.
Hey, you have time to interview the drivers.
Okay, let me interview him. Come on over here with me. This one right here.
I want to thank all you guys for coming out tonight.
I see you right here, man. Look out. They said you ready, right? Si bueno. Okay. Mucho good, y'all. Mucho. Hey, did you delay through Theo? Delay through Theo to Sícame a mi canal. Lookout Racing. Okay. Tutu. Delay through Theo and delay through Abuelito. Okay, he on it, y'all.
It'll make it to where we don't have to raise prices as quickly if we don't have to pay people to keep cleaning up after you guys. So you guys just be a little respectful and treat it like
you ready, right?
We do spend a lot of time
y'all on my
here.
channel.
You guys spend a lot
Look
of
out
time
racing.
out here, so
look.
Let's keep it nice and make it easy to clean up afterwards. We would appreciate
Look out
that.
racing. Yeah, I'm gonna have you on my channel. Mira. Yeah, suscríbete a mi canal and dale me gusta. Okay.
Pay attention to the Gut TV on
Dile tu
Facebook.
tío, sígame a mi canal. Oh shit, he
And then
got
I
it
put
in
the
there.
other one in my car.
Oh yeah.
Every day.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, look, I got a new one for you. Look. I got you a new. Where you gonna put that one at?
On the back window.
On the back window.
Stay
Okay.
up to date on the Facebook page of the Gut.
I'm finna go get me
Ronnie
something to
Barnes
eat.
for president runs that page. Keeps up on that pretty
Can you
good.
zoom in down there and see what's going on?
Oh, I forgot something going on. Oh shit. Nah, I can't zoom that far.
We got a page for Yello Belly too. It just doesn't get updated as much. I think they're gonna start working on that. We'll see. But right now, the Gut is a great place to go.
Hey, they say, do you play Pokemon Go?
What's going on? All the
Nah,
stuff
he don't
on
play
there.
that.
Didn't even play that anymore.
You guys
Oh, you used to though?
talk
No, I
to each
never.
other.
Nah, you said anymore.
Happy
You
and sad,
nah, don't start
complaining.
lying.
No, I never played it before.
All that.
Oh, okay, he ain't played it before.
Facebook page, the Gut.
Look out, y'all on my YouTube channel. Oh, what's up with it, man? You on there? This my Lookout Racing. You need one too? Okay. Already, man. Yeah. Yeah, go on tell them something, man. Okay.
Free Kurt, long live the KC, man. Long live the J, man. Free all the niggas up there.
Yeah.
Shout out to all the exotic baddies.
Yeah, exotic baddies. That's how she like them, exotic. She like them exotic, y'all. Yeah.
That's our YouTube channel.
Yeah, this is my YouTube channel, Lookout
Look,
Racing.
man, y'all shit, y'all subscribe, man. Y'all stop being bitch ass niggas. Y'all subscribe, man.
Yeah.
Y'all subscribe. Hey, what happened to your boy with that truck?
Yeah.
Truck. What do you mean?
Yeah. I mean, with that car, with that orange car.
Big block? They said it's a big block. Hey, man, big block or small block? Okay, what about...
I'm a girl small block. Hey, you know my kid.
Yeah, but I was just seeing what you like. Small block, okay.
Hey, man, you know we going LS.
Yeah, he going LS. Who, word? Hey, how you doing? Oh, why you say she calling me, man? Oh, hey, man.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
Go subscribe to my boy YouTube channel, dog.
Yeah, he want y'all to subscribe. Lookout Racing.
Lookout Racing, man. Y'all go subscribe to this shit.
Yeah.
We out here. It's all good, funny games, man. Y'all come out here. Y'all get some good betting on. Watching some good races.
Yeah.
And let's run this money up.
Yeah, I already appreciate it. Huh? Yeah, here you go, man. I got it right there for you. I need to get something to drink.
Stick it on my car.
My mouth done got dry.
Tonight or Thursday, get you at half price.
Yeah, my mouth done got dry.
And again, Flashlight Fridays, all access. So
We got Touche up here. What's up with it, Touche? I got about 9 people talking about when you coming back out with that Camaro, man.
You was talking to my neighbor last night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When that Camaro coming back, though?
Oh, man, we got it in the chassis shop right now.
Oh, you ain't in no
I
chassis
ain't no
shop.
bullshit. Ain't no bullshit. Tuesday got it in the chassis shop.
Ah!
I'm getting shit done to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
punk when I came out here.
Yeah.
I gotta be the soldier now.
Yeah.
Ain't no bullshit.
Okay, ain't no bullshit
Ain't
with
no
Touche, y'all.
bullshit, dog. Touche gotta come out with
The
something
10 cars we
strong.
paid out.
Okay, he said he got to come something strong, y'all.
Yeah. I like the way yours took off
Oh,
last
yeah?
night.
Oh, you were there?
Man.
I ain't even know you was there.
Boy, that motherfucker took off like a goddamn soldier.
Yeah. That's how you trying to get yours to take off?
Boy, that motherfucker took off like I just shit.
Ah.
God damn. I went on and lost that damn 20, but I told him that shit. He gave me a hell of a race.
Yeah, man, you know that was a turbo truck, man.
Man, that motherfucker was flying.
You know, my shit a street car, man. Drive
That's
it
a
to
what?
the street car, drive it to the track.
Man, you pulled that bitch
Nah,
on the trailer.
yeah, but I got a tow truck. I had a flat last night on the way home. I had to get the tow truck.
Man, that motherfucker flying, Kimbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, but my neighbor then was talking to you.
Oh, yeah, which one?
gave you the Hennessy.
Oh, yeah, that's him.
Oh, man, that's a strong man.
Oh, yeah, that's my boy.
Say.
D-Red.
Say.
I need an
D-Red,
ag station.
Look. D-Red be mowing yard, cranking up shit. He made me fuck around and cuss out my goddamn kinfolk.
You done cuss your kinfolk out?
Hell yeah. Hey,
Damn.
man, this motherfucker over here just mowing shit. And y'all motherfucker can't do a goddamn thing.
And they got everything.
That motherfucker bad motherfucker on it.
Yeah.
Whatever he told you he can do it.
Yeah.
Nigga say do 50 push-ups, that motherfucker be
Hitting them hoes, one hand.
cheap. That's a bad motherfucker, man.
I can't do no one hand. Funky Town say he can. Who? Funky Town.
Man, Funky Town can't spell that shit. Hey, what the hell you talking about?
Funky Town say, hey man, I can do push-ups one-handed.
That's what he said.
I just don't say nothing.
Is that what he said?
But I can do that shit.
That what he said?
Uh-huh.
Shit, the last motherfucker I seen do it was him.
Yeah.
Do push-up, every damn thing.
And you was impressed?
Who?
You.
You gotta be.
Yeah, with one hand push-ups.
One hand push-up? Man,
Yeah.
who in the hell you?
I don't
And
really.
mow yard, that motherfucker. Look, Kenfolk, when I met him, I was mowing my yard. This motherfucker done fuck around mowed his yard, plus cleaned up the car, then went inside. I'm still mowing.
Damn.
The fuck?
You bullshitting then or something.
Nah, I wasn't even drinking. I was sober.
Damn. Well, what was taking so long?
I guess the mower.
Mm.
Look at this motherfucker with all them goddamn towels on.
What he trying to do?
I think he just left from the hotel.
Let's go see. All right, Limpy.
I don't know that we're gonna be able to get the truck back up here. So
I don't know what the hell they gonna do.
come back up.
I'm finna go get me some. I'm finna go get me some tacos. I got some stickers. I'm finna go get some new cars made. Here.
Stickers?
Yeah, take them 2 stickers.